First, take out the screws at the bottom, open up the phone, move the 3 screws in this plate, move this other. Okay, you want to be very careful with that because it has some adhesive and it's glued on there pretty well. So I'm trying to be very careful that way I don't damage any of the Face ID components. Just be very careful with that. That's the only thing that I see right now that's with these iPhone 13 that you could possibly cause a lot of issues with repairs. Alright, so we got these 2 connectors up and we're trying to lift this third and final one off, and we're being very careful, like I said, not to damage anything. And there we go, we got everything off. Let's put it onto the new screen, which we have over here. There we go. Now let's put it inside the phone. Install the top connector first. Okay, and there we go. Now let's connect up this part, that. And then put these screws back down here that holds the actual battery connector. And then we're going to put some of this adhesive around so that way we know that the screen is being held in place properly. Be careful of that speaker. That's what it looks like up top. Right there. Looks like a little speaker hole or something. Not sure. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and power it on. Got an Apple logo. I'm probably going to get the screen warning that tells us that it's the aftermarket screen. Alright, so we just replaced the screen on this iPhone 13 and it's all set already. I don't see the screen warning, which maybe Apple doesn't do that anymore. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.